This is my room tour of the Hilton, Sydney. As you walk in the door, to the right are all of the controls. Turn lights on, a button for room service to make up the room. Directly to the left, there's a safe, iron and ironing board, slippers, there's a coffee station, some cups and glasses, tea and milk and sugar. There's an automatic mini bar, so if you open anything in here, they will automatically charge you. There's the snacks, alcoholic drinks, soda. Next to the mini bar is a wardrobe. Lights come on as you open it. They provide 2 robes to go along with the slippers. And then to the right, as you come in the door, is the bathroom. Nice wood and frosted glass entranceway. Big lighted mirror. Sink. Towels, toilet, and a very large walk-in shower with a rain head and a handheld. And what's very interesting is that there's a TV. Yes, a TV in the shower. Very interesting. Right now, Forrest Gump is playing on TV in the shower. Towels. And this is a remote control for that TV. Some makeup mirror. Outlets for shaving. And then as you walk in, there's an area for your luggage. There's a small couch. This one, probably seen a little better days. A little bit of staining, but not too bad. And this is a corner room. So there's a stand-up TV, windows, around the corners. Reading lights. King size bed. Work desk. What was very nice is they left a nice welcome package. I'm here for a conference, so I don't know if they've done that specially for conference goers or whether this is something that they leave for most guests. Hilton honors, but they left wine, some fruit, some snacks, some water. And then there's additional automatic mini bar over here that has a couple more snacks, some candies, and some red wines. There's a phone, clock, notepad and paper next to the bed. And on the desk, there's also writing paper, paper clips, things that you might need, and a nice little leather case here. There's some nice views of downtown business district. And off in the distance, some reasonable views of the city. from here as well. There's controls by the bed for the lights, dimming the lights, reading lights, small glass table on this side, and then there's that desk side table over on the other side of the bed. And there's a large full-length mirror, so as you're getting ready in the morning, or to basically reflect some more light into the room during the day, I would presume. So there you have it. There's a quick walkthrough of the Hilton Sydney king size bedroom. This again is a corner room.